Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
In a world as dynamic as a movie theater, versatility is king. Consider the movie theater itself, a space of endless possibilities. From comedy to drama, action to romance, it plays host to a myriad of genres, just as the word versatile implies a variety of skills or abilities. Versatile, an adjective, describes someone or something that can adapt to many different functions or activities, like an actor who effortlessly switches between roles, or a projector that can display both two-dimensional and three-dimensional films. So, next time you find yourself in a cinema, remember the word versatile. It's not just a word, it's a way of life, a testament to adaptability and change. And if you find this content useful, stay versatile, stay adaptive. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.